How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First we will launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards the two cards like icon or memory section at bottom left corner of the screen. Now from this memory section, you will find different options at the top like home, camera roll, stories and my eyes. So you have to select camera roll and from your camera roll you can choose any photo or video as a snap. You can simply edit this photo or video by adding a sound, text, emoji and many more. Now you can tap send to at bottom right corner of the screen and then send it as a normal snap to everyone on Snapchat. It has already been seen by waiting for a while. That is how we send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.